Welcome back, everyone. Well, we have yet another huge profit video to show you guys today. And again, I don't like to do these videos to brag. I don't do it with a braggadocious mindset. I do it to inspire and actually show people the true potential of that. Yes, they can in fact earn money online even if they have zero experience and have never worked a business one day in their life. You can do this if you're working multiple jobs, if you have no jobs right now and you're unemployed. This business is for you. You can do it right from your phone, your laptop, at home, on the go, anywhere in the world, at any time. You don't need to be at your device on a certain time. You can do this anytime, anywhere you'd like. So we have yet another big profit to show you guys, and this one came from our alerts. Our alerts are included in our program in the gold package as well as the sub alerts level, but of course we do recommend that gold package. And this one, you may have not heard of this artist. That's perfectly okay. Many of the artists that we alert you probably have never even heard of, but yet we're still able to make huge profits on these alerts because our experts are actually doing all of this work for you. So again, you don't need any experience, you don't need any prior knowledge, you don't need any technical skills, any skills whatsoever, you don't need any certification or license. It doesn't matter if you've never been to a concert or a sports event one day in your life. It has no effect on you or the business or your potential whatsoever. You don't need any experience. So you probably never even heard of this artist, but yet we still made a big profit on it. He's only 23 years old, but he has already seen his share of success. His first major breakthrough came with the release of the 2020 hit single called What's Poppin'. Then that had a remix, but it ultimately peaked at number 8 on the US Billboard Hot 100. Then he released his first ever studio album called That's What They All Say, which was released in late 2020, December 2020. That debuted at number 5 on the US Billboard 200. That chart is the top 200 albums in the United States. Then, most recently, he has gained a lot of attention being featured on big rapper Lil Nas X song called Industry Baby. That song came out and debuted, reaching number 2 on the Billboard Hot 100 for the week of August 7th of 2021 and is still racking up massive numbers on the charts. He recently performed that song, Industry Baby, with Lil Nas X at the VMA Awards, and that gained a lot of attention as well. So recently, Jack Harlow announced his Creme de la Creme tour, which is based on one of these songs on the album Creme de la Creme. And even though it was only his first album, this tour was only accompanying his first album, our experts saw the potential. They saw the numbers, they saw the hits, they saw the streams, they saw his following, and saw that this tour will in fact do extremely well, especially the dates near his hometown of Louisville, Kentucky. So with that being said, this event was alerted, this particular date in Indiana, and we did buy some tickets. We definitely scooped up some tickets for this event. And ultimately we paid $230.10 for 2 tickets. This was an all general admission event, meaning all seats were the same exact ticket, all general admission. But even though that was the case, this venue sold out very quickly. But we were able to get in because of the special pre-sale codes that are included with the alerts. We got in during pre-sale before the general public. That's how we were able to get tickets before anyone else. We scooped up some tickets, and they sold very quickly. Now, what was cool about this event, and you'll see this from time to time, it doesn't happen every time, but you will see this every so often, and our training does cover this in our Ticket Broker Gold program. If you'd like to get the link to that, the link is down below in the description of this video. What was interesting about this event is that it was actually eligible for Ticketmaster resale, where you can actually directly resell your tickets on Ticketmaster. And what's great about that, it's a fantastic opportunity, is it's essentially as if the artist is driving all of their fans, all of their traffic, which they have a massive following of millions of fans in many cases, directly to us. So it's as if they're almost promoting our tickets. When they send all their fans directly to Ticketmaster, then the event sells out, which it did, and then what happened was we sold them directly on Ticketmaster instead of going to StubHub, where we usually list them, and they sold there. And that's a fantastic opportunity also to get a very quick sale. You'll often see very quick flips happen with Ticketmaster resale because of all those eyeballs and all that traffic coming directly to you. So like I said, this opportunity doesn't happen every time, right? Some events are eligible for Ticketmaster resale, but most of them are not. But whenever it is, we always recommend hopping on this opportunity, and of course our training cover this in great detail. So with this example, we scooped up 2 tickets for $230.10. We listed them on Ticketmaster as Ticketmaster resale, verified resale tickets. And we also did list them on StubHub just to get that extra exposure, but you don't have to list them on multiple platforms. If you just want to list on one, that's perfectly fine. And they sold very fast. And this profit, now when you look at the numbers, right, you might say, well, how much of a profit actually is that percentage-wise? Because that's what's so key. The reason why you want to look at the percentage is because that's what indicates what you can do again and again. It indicates your profit no matter if the price of the ticket is $10, $100, or even a few $100s per ticket. You want to look at that percentage ROI. That is a great indicator and signifies what you can replicate and rinse and repeat again and again. And that's what the business is all about. So as you could see, we got the email from Ticketmaster. You just sold Jack Harlow Creme de la Creme tour, and he also had a couple other artists featured on this tour opening for him, Babyface Ray and Mavi tickets. Personally, I've actually never even heard of these artists before. That doesn't matter, but it only brought him more eyeballs and more people to the show, of course. And we sold those tickets for a grand sum. If you look at the receipt here, those were the two tickets. The general admission, that was the section, right? There was only one type of ticket for this event because it was all a general admission standing area. And the tickets, the two of them, sold for a total of $325.66. So what I want to do now is bring up the percentage increase calculator. That will be a great indicator, and it will essentially show you the calculus of how you show a percentage increase, a percentage profit on your tickets. So starting value is $230.10 because that's what we paid for them. We sold them for $325.66. If you do that math, that equates to a little bit over 41.5%. To be exact, 41.5298% increase, or a 41.5%, we'll round it off. You can even call it a 42% if you want to round up, percent profit. That's how much profit that we made on these tickets in a very short period of time. Again, that beats the stock market, it beats real estate, it beats nearly every single other investment, and that's what's so great about this business. It's repeatable, you can do it again and again. You can just start very small and use your profits to reinvest, so it's not even like you have to keep investing out of pocket every single solitary time. You can keep some of your profits, put some back in, keep a lot of them, put a little bit back in, put most of them back in, whatever you want to do, totally up to you. It's very flexible in that respect, no matter how much you're starting with, or however fast that you want to scale up the business. And again, you needed absolutely zero experience, technical skills, prior knowledge, any experience whatsoever in the online world. You did not need it to do these results. You could have done this as a 5-year-old. Yes, even a 5-year-old could have done this. And again, you could do it from any device. You could do it from your tablet, your phone, your laptop. You could even do it from a Amazon device, whatever you want to do it from. That's perfectly up to you. Whatever you like to work with, whether it's an Apple, an Android, does not matter. This business works on all of them. All you had to do was simply follow our alerts included in our program and follow the steps that we teach in our training, and you could have made this profit too. So I highly recommend getting started today, getting started right away, because you don't want to miss the next big flip. We're putting out events every single solitary week. Your future self will thank you. You're going to say to yourself, why didn't I get in a year or two ago? And you're going to live with all these regrets. You don't want to live with regrets. So get in today, get started right away. The link is down below in the description of this video. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to comment down below or contact our priority support team. And if you did enjoy this video, we would appreciate it if you gave it a big thumbs up, smash the like button. Make sure that you do go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We post videos quite often, and we're always sending out new results and new profits as well as examples. So make sure that you are subscribed to this channel with notifications turned on. That way you don't miss anything. And we look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care for now.